So here I made a wheelbarrow wheel replacement manual core aerator for the lawn. It has 4 tines on there. I'm going to show you how it works real quick, and then I'll talk more about it. It's quite a workout to push, and you got to keep it kind of low because the wheel is not as big as the rubber wheel is, the rubber tire. So it just makes 1 row of holes, but it makes them pretty quickly. And as you can see here, it pulls these little cores out. If you push it really fast, it'll throw cores at your feet, which is kind of neat. So I don't know if you can see that little line there. On soft ground, it actually rolls kind of nice because it just rolls on the wooden wheels and the tines just dig in. But on harder ground, it kind of bumps around a little bit. I've got a couple bags of sand in here for weight. So what I did was, so you can see the basic construction here. If you unbolt these brackets here, this rod will come out. It's just a solid steel rod. That's what goes through the normal wheel. So I cut some circles out of some plywood, and then I have sections of 2x4 in there, and then bolted to the 2x4 sections I have this is steel conduit, galvanized conduit. So you can kind of see, so they're 6 inches long. The first inch is left intact here, and then the rest of the way I cut in half. And I sharpened the edge of this with a Dremel cutoff wheel. So I did all of this with a little black 2-inch Dremel cutoff wheel. So it's kind of, it took a little while. If you had better tools, angle grinder or some other kind of, maybe even a hacksaw blade would have worked better. So as you can see right here, all the tines bent over after using it for a little while. So I reinforced them with the other piece of the other half of the conduit that I removed. You can see it back there, reinforcement, and that helped it be a lot stronger. I started out with these sticking out 3 inches, and when I put this this extra reinforcement on, I shortened this to about 2.5 inches to just so it'd be a little bit less stress on the thing. So I might need to redo this and use something a little stronger than this conduit, because I don't think it's going to last the long run. But I think I could probably get done my whole lawn, and even if one of these gets bent over, the other 3 might hold in there a little bit better. So that works pretty good. One thing I noticed was, because of the extra radius that these tines give with clearance to the bucket here, my plywood wheel circle had to be smaller, so that gives me less clearance to the ground here. So I can't tip the bucket up as much as I normally would on the wheelbarrow. I have to keep it kind of low. And I have noticed that going fast with this requires less effort for what you're actually accomplishing than going slow. But it's more effort overall, so it's quite a workout. So I'll give it a try. See if this improves the lawn. It's my first time with aerating this year. Alright, thanks for watching.